It's time to get my home spick and span. Do you know the meaning of this English idiom? It means very, very clean, spotless. And that's exactly what we're talking about today in this easy everyday English vocabulary lesson. Today we are talking about cleaning. We will learn what is it, what can you do with it? Lots of helpful nouns and verbs in today's lesson. Now, there's lots to do, so let's get started. Let's dive into our cleaning vocabulary. So first, I've got my dishpan. The dishpan is this white plastic container that you see. It's called a dishpan because people use it to wash their dishes in. Now, it's very versatile, which means you can use it for many different things. I use it to collect all my cleaning supplies. Cleaning supplies. It's all the things you use for cleaning. Everybody's cleaning supplies are going to be a little bit different, right? Not everyone has the same materials. So we've got our dishpan and cleaning supplies. The first thing I do when I start cleaning is dusting. I dust the furniture. And the cleaning supply used for this is called a duster. So we got a duster. To dust is the verb. I am dusting the furniture. Now for dusting, you can also use a cloth. My cloth is actually just a very small towel, but a cloth is just a piece of material that you can use for cleaning. With a cloth, we can wipe the table. After dusting and wiping, you can use a cleaner. This is an all-purpose cleaner. All-purpose cleaner means you can use it in many different places of your home. All-purpose. Use it in the kitchen, in the bathroom, on the furniture. It's okay. Now, the verb you can use with this product is to spray. This is called a spray bottle. So when we press it, we spray. Spray the cleaner and wipe with a cloth.
Marshall.
Sometimes wiping is not enough and we have to do some scrubbing. For this, you can use a scrub sponge. So this green part on the sponge, use it to scrub. The yellow part of the sponge, use it to wash or wipe. Now, I don't know about you, but when I clean the bathroom or the kitchen, I use some cleaning gloves. Here are my cleaning gloves. So I put on the gloves. How do you clean your windows? There is some special glass cleaner you can use. Again, it's in a spray bottle. So I'm going to spray the glass cleaner and I'm going to wipe. People use a special cloth for cleaning glass called a microfiber cloth. Microfiber is very, very soft. Some people use paper products. For example, paper towel. Rip off a piece of paper towel, and also the verb you can use is wipe. Wipe the glass, wipe the windows. Now, sometimes we do some heavy-duty cleaning. Heavy duty cleaning is not your usual weekly cleaning, so you're going to do a lot more than usual. For example, 2 times a year, you wash your windows on the outside of your house. So maybe some glass cleaner will not do the job. So you might want to use a cloth and some soap and actually wash your windows. In that case, you can use a squeegee to help. Squeegee, very fun word to say. The verb that you can use for this is pull down. Pull down the squeegee. Next, let's talk about cleaning the floor. The floor is what we walk on, the floor. So depending on the kind of floor, you're going to use some different cleaning supplies. In the kitchen, maybe you have tile or hardwood. You can use a broom. The verb with a broom is to sweep. Sweep the floor with the broom. Now, what do you do with all the dirt after sweeping? Use a dustpan. Sweep the dirt into the dustpan. What about carpet? I don't think a broom would work very well. On the carpet, we can use a vacuum cleaner. The verb is to vacuum. Use a vacuum cleaner to vacuum the carpet. Another useful tool for cleaning the floor is the mop. And we use the mop to mop the floor. So the noun and the verb are the same. We can also say wash the floor because we are using water and usually some soap. You might see very specific kinds of mops. For example, sponge mop. This mop will use a sponge. Or steam mop. This mop uses hot steam to clean the floor. But all together, they can just be called a mop. For the mop, you will need a bucket of water. Use the bucket with your mop to clean the floor. Are there any other cleaning supplies that you use that I didn't mention in today's video? If you enjoyed this lesson, my friends, please give it a thumbs up. Leave me a cleaning emoji in the comments so I know to make more lessons like this one with easy, everyday English vocabulary. I can't wait to see you in the next one. Bye! There's a fly. Uh-oh. Where's Marshall?